You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this capital city. If you want to learn more capital cities and more Estonian, make sure to stay tuned to the channel. Got tons more coming up at the end of the video. Stay tuned. Capital of Estonia, locally in Estonian pronunciation, Tallinn, Tallinn. Therefore, in English, it's generally pronounced rather simply, similarly as Tallinn, Tallinn, Estonia. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.